Hey, it's Owen. Just gonna do another bike check. Haven't done one in a while. I got some new parts. I haven't shown you guys yet. Starting up front, I got the same old Mutiny Glam V2 bars. I got the Colt D-Heart grips. Had these for a while. Really like them, but I'm getting the Colt Vans ones soon. Whatever's left of these ODI bar ends. Same profile push stem, 48mm. Same FSA impact headset from 2 years ago. Same Odyssey CS2 race forks. Same animal peg. I got a Colt peg on this side. Whenever I run threes, just started running them again. New front wheel. Got the G Sport marmoset laced to the bird cage with the Odyssey 8 King K-Lite tire. Got a BSD guard on it. Like this wheel. Same Colt Deathrow frame, 20.5. Really like this frame, never had any problems with it. Great frame. Animal longer seat posts. It's the medium one, I don't know how long it is. Federal fat seat. Built-in pivotal post. United Metro 28.2 sprocket. Profile BMX GDH cranks. Nice plastic pedals. Odyssey Bluebird chain, same one, same cranks, same everything pretty much. Same demolition rolls to 7KA rim, Sapum spokes, same demolition guard, same animal peg. Fit FAF. Got the Shadow Torrid bottom bracket. I think that's everything. Oh, hold on. Yep, never had any problems with this bike. Really like everything on it. Never a problem. Nothing ever broke, really. Yeah, that's my bike. Not sure how much it weighs. Probably 23 and a half. It's a hub sound for you. Alright, yep, that's my bike. Subscribe, watch my new edits, 2 new edits out in like a week. Got a new camera that I'm still using my flip for this, but yep, subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching.